Hey everyone, it's Paul here. I've got some updates for you on the Vetsturn program that we kicked off last year. Awarded systems to Joy, David, and Omar, who did a great job embracing the opportunity, producing some great work, and proving out the concept that this can provide some healing and stress relief. I would like to thank all veterans for your service, and particularly those who have applied to the program this year. We had very, very difficult choices to make with a large number of very worthy applicants. And thank you to the team of Project 147 for doing the hard work and making the very difficult decisions, looking through the application and choosing 5 recipients to participate with us this year. Thank you, huge thank you goes out to all of the sponsors that are participating in this program this year. I'm so just humbled and overjoyed with the participation and support that has come in this year. It's been just amazing, the increase in support even over last year. Just a shout out to a couple new supporters that have jumped on board since the last video. So very recently, Father Bear Woodshop sponsored a full additional veteran. Go Poppy Designs offered to sell product if any of the veterans that wants to produce product and sell in their stores in the Chicagoland area, provide consulting to any of the veterans who want to spin up a craft business, and they're also doing a fundraising effort where they're printing T-shirts with the Vetsturn logo on it. Very grateful for that. Chefware Kits has some great US-made project kits for wood turners, and they're providing a good set of those for each of the recipients in the program. Rockler contacted me just the other day and said, hey, is it too late to participate? And absolutely not. So they are going to provide some supplies that I'll include in the care package that I'll be putting together, including all this gear here. And then Archon Solutions, my swag team, they created a new logo for us, which I really love, the new Vetsturn logo, and put it on some cool hats. So each of the veteran recipients will be getting one of these hats as well. With that, let me just dive in and introduce you to the new group of veterans that we're welcoming into the fold in the Vetsturn program this year, where we'll provide them with a full set of turning equipment and tools and the training that they need to get up and running in wood turning. So in no particular order, first up, Mark from Texas. Mark has been had 14 years of Army experience with a fair amount of combat duty. Mark finds woodworking to be a therapeutic activity and loves the smell of sawdust. So a brother woodworker. This is going to be a nice extension to the woodworking that Mark has been doing. Christine in North Carolina is also a woodworker, but she's been on injured reserve from woodworking for the past few years due to a back surgery that she had. So this will allow her to get back in the shop, get some good sawdust therapy. 22 years in the Air Force for Christine. Gordon in Colorado, 22 years in the Army, military police leadership, and he is also has woodworking experience, and this will be a good extension to his skills, and he likes to build things and donate them to charity auctions, and this will be another way for him to do that. Patrick, 27 years military experience. He had so much experience, I had to shrink the font down to fit it on one slide. Patrick has been around the block in the military, and so Patrick had just a heartwarming story, and he has a son that he connects with here and there around woodworking, and he views this as a good way to connect with his son with some additional shop time and make up for some lost time. Patrick has spent a lot of time deployed overseas, and this will be a great way to connect with his son. And then finally, Mark from Wisconsin, and Mark is a 27-year Army veteran and has started a nonprofit. Mark has a heart for veterans, and the stories of the things that he does in his community are really, really heartwarming. He started this nonprofit called All the Way Home, and he basically does whatever it takes to help provide ways for veterans to re-engage back in society after combat duty, and he's just doing some really cool things. This is going to be an extension to what he is doing with the veterans that he serves in his community, and I'm just really thrilled to see his vision around this, and looking forward to working with Mark to help bring some healing to some veterans in his community. So where do we go from here? The 5 recipients that I just introduced you to are going to start receiving a lot of gear. They're going to get some tools directly from EasyWood Tools. All these things from Nova and Ashley and George will be coming their way. A bunch of wood blanks from various wood suppliers. Burleywood is going to put together a nice care package of wood. Lathes should be probably the long pole in the tent. I think they are looking to arrive maybe mid-December. So by that mid-December time frame, everything should be there. We'll kick off with an online training session, just to kind of overview the equipment and do a basic spindle turning project, and then we'll see what people need from there. If you're a wood turner and are in the area of any of these recipients and want to help, let me know. We can match you up. That really worked great last year, so reach out if you're interested in doing that, and we'll make some introductions and take it from there. So with that, I will wrap up. Thank you for your support, and reach out if you have any questions or want to participate in this. We'll fit you in one way or another. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Follow along on social media. I'll be posting pictures of the projects that these folks produce when they get up and running, and we'll take it from there. Thanks again.